It's the time of the year to give our poplar tree its annual haircut. Every year we cut all the slips off this mother stump and replant the biggest and best. We always have spare ones, which are for sale in our online shop. If you'd like some, check out the description. The trick is to cut the slips off as close to the stump as possible. In spring, new slips will start to grow. We've been measuring the longest slip for 5 years now, and its length ranged between 8.5 and 15 foot, or between 2.5 and 4.5 meters. Let's find out this year's growth.
Ooh. Measure the curve?
Yep, overall length. How much does that measure?
294, 295, gosh.
5, 6, 7, 8. 9 foot 8.5.
9 foot 8, or 2.95 meters. Better than last year, but still not very long compared with other years, although we had such a wonderfully mild late summer and early autumn. Who knows what next year might bring? Good luck, poplar stump.